Today, we will walk through how to sync and file through InfoTrack's Family Court. You can navigate to InfoTrack's Family Court directly from your PMS matter or through the All Services menu by clicking Courts and then Family Court, where you can also create a new matter within InfoTrack to work from. Once you have navigated to Family Court, you will land on this screen where you can choose to sync an existing file in the court portal to your matter, which automatically brings across court events, orders, and documents directly back into your PMS matter, or view and download them from the Family Court interface here. Alternatively, you can file for the first time and start a new application to submit to the court portal from here as well. If you have a file for this matter in the court portal already, we can click Sync Existing Court Files. This takes us to all the available files under your court portal login. You can then choose the file to sync across. From here, you can choose to sync everything past and future, or sync from today only, where only future court events, orders, and documents for the selected file will be synced. Once you have synced your file, documents will automatically start appearing in your PMS matter. New documents and updates will also come across in the future. You won't need to sync the file manually again, as it is automatically syncing in the background. On our Family Court interface, you'll notice all your file details at the top of the screen. As you scroll down further, you'll notice your existing applications in the cards below. Within each application, you'll see details of the application filing, including who it was filed by and the date. Within the application cards are the court events and orders, documents filed, and party information as expandable and collapsible accordions. You'll notice for court events and orders for this application, it is listed within a table within the accordion. From here, you'll be able to download the order directly as well. Similarly, for documents filed, you'll be able to view the details and download the document directly. Party information for this application are also seen here. As filing options on the existing applications become available, such as file a document and notice of address, they'll appear on the top right of the application card. You can click to file on the existing file from here. You can view a list of all the documents in your file in your List of Documents tabs at the top here. You will be able to use our search and filter functionality to find the document you are looking for. Filter by date using our date picker, document type, and filed by filter. Similarly, see a list of all your orders across the file and search and filter by the date. You can also see a list of subpoenaed items in this tab here and what has been granted to which party. When you are ready to file a new application on this file, you can click the File a New Application button on the top right. Filing a new application will have the same workflow for matters that are filing an application for the first time or, as currently shown, filing a new application on the existing file. If you are starting a new file on a matter from your PMS, you will be able to preview how filled out your application will be based on the data you have already populated in your PMS matter card. Click the application form that you would like to begin. As you can see, you will be able to input a name for the application and a description. You'll then see a preview of all the different sections that make up the application form. All you'll need to do is click Go to Section to begin. You'll notice on the left a progress tracker, which indicates all the different parts of the application form that you'll need to fill out. You'll be able to see as well that you can navigate across to different sections of the application form by clicking on any of the parts. You'll notice that once you've completed a section in full, it will appear as completed in the progress tracker on the left. Any detail that you have pre-filled in your PMS matter card, as you can see, has been pulled across. If you want to jump across sections, you'll notice a confirmation modal to save and continue what you've already completed. And when you come back to that section, you'll notice that information has been saved. In the application, if you make a mistake or forget to fill in a required section, it will highlight the question that needs to be rectified. You can always come back to the overview section and you can see which part of the application forms have been fully completed. If you don't have all the information required for your application form, you can always come back to it later as it automatically saves as a draft in this screen here. As you can see, with the draft I've created, I can click to continue that application or delete it completely. If I click File a New Application again, you'll see that I can see that draft and I can click Continue Application. When adding documents to your application form, you'll be able to browse files from your PMS directly or from your computer. When all the details have been filled out, you'll be able to submit your application form.